The time has come, guys. I am selling my 2014 Jeep Wrangler JK. It's got 55,000 miles on it, so super low miles. And I would love to sell it to a subscriber or a follower on Instagram or something like that. So I just want to give you guys the opportunity, if you want, to look this baby up. So you guys can check it out on Craigslist, offer up, or you can go to my Instagram and DM me if you're interested. I'm trying to get rid of it kind of quickly, so I figure in the next week or two it should be gone. If you guys are interested, let me know. Just send me a DM on Instagram. I might not see that, so your best bet is to go to offer up and look it up on there and send me a message on there. But yeah, like I said, I'm in the Phoenix, Scottsdale area. And if you guys subscribe to my channel, you know all the hard work I put into this Jeep, all the thought process. You know, it took me 4 years to finally complete this build. I got the Bushwhacker 9.5-inch deep pocket fender flares that are paint matched, and they're flush here with the bumper, which I love that look. It's got the paint matched DV8 hood there, and then it's got also a paint matched aggressive grille with custom headlights, custom taillights. And I'm not going to go to the back because you'll see my license plate and I don't want to edit that out. But it does have this stock rear bumper, which it still looks great. But I actually did order a bumper. It's sitting at my house right now. But they sent me the wrong one. They sent me one for a JL, not a JK. You know, I was going to have a brand new bumper on there when I sell it, but unfortunately, that's not going to be the case. But yeah, I'm going to put like a little discount on it because I don't have the brand new bumper. But yeah, this thing looks great. It's pretty much stock on the inside. It just has some oh shit handles that you guys can grab onto. Those look cool. It's got like a rugged ridge phone mount, so you can mount your phone. That's really cool. But besides that, the interior is pretty stock. I didn't touch too much of the interior, just the exterior. So yeah, look this Jeep up on offer up, or you can send me a message on Instagram. Like I said, send me a DM if you guys live in the Phoenix, Scottsdale, Mesa, Chandler, Gilbert area. Then you guys are plenty, you know, even Tucson, you know, plenty close enough to pick up this Jeep. It would be so cool if one of my subscribers or followers bought this Jeep, and you know, maybe if they live in the area, I could see it roaming around the streets in Phoenix sometime. So yeah, thanks for watching. Normally don't do videos like this. I just do, you know, all the Jeep custom stuff. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be in someone else's hand here soon, unfortunately. Thanks for watching.